Yo, first thing, what's up? Subscribe, like, comment, help the kid out. Y'all know I got my trading book today, y'all. My trading journal. I'm excited to use this bad boy. Kind of got the trade details, then they got a little sketch box. I'll probably get a printer and print that out, but yeah, I'm excited to utilize this bad boy. Not even gonna hold y'all. Not gonna hold y'all at all, man. A little geeked, but yeah, another day, another opportunity. Yeah, let's see what the market has to offer today. We'll be patient with the entry. Market is about to open in about a minute here. For some reason though, I don't know why, like my trading view charts are delayed by what's I have the real-time data package too, but I don't know what's going on, but yeah, we'll wait and see what happens. It sucks that my trade view chart's delayed because that's what I use to base my trades off of. So we'll kind of have to make this work for the time being. You know. We're going to remain patient, and again, we're going to base our trades off of execution, not trade result. So I'm looking for 3 to 4 things to happen, you know, in order for me to kind of get into a trade. So, yeah, we'll see if those things present themselves today. We have a ton of just vibe and balances up in here. We had a huge, pretty nice sell-off today. I could try to see. I'm still trying to get my figure out what's going on too. Like my payment is good. I'm not 100% certain why. It's still showing delayed on the actual trading view chart. So it's interesting. Yeah, interesting. But, you know, we'll see. We'll make the best out of the situation. That's how I look at it. That is how I look at it. And I'm so glad tomorrow's Friday. I'm excited to really utilize this because this has saved me a lot of just kind of back and forth between the 3, you know, 2 of the systems that I use anyways. Oh, yeah. This goes up to, I think this has 80 pages worth of trade noting. It's only $15 on Amazon too. Well, actually, it might have more than that, but nonetheless, $18, $15 to $18, which isn't bad. Yeah, it's detailed. Definitely detailed, but let's get focused back on these charts. I gotta get myself reorganized over here. I might need to get like one of those monitor stands that are kind of like stacked on top of each other, just to kind of release some space. But yeah, I don't really like trading off these charts, which I mentioned before. We do have all of this, liquidity potentially going to be ran right here, all this buy side. We entered into a fair value gap here. Got a swing high there. We're not breaking below as of right now. How do I got two custom 3 ranges. How do I custom time to save? Okay. Again, these are incremental moves, so waiting for something more convincing to take place. Although we did take we did tap into a form of sell side, and through here. Let's see, yeah. I'm just kind of analyzing the charts and past price action right now. Again, I'm just kind of waiting on more confirmation that this wants to continue up before hopping into anything. This honestly may be confirmation I need to kind of get in right here. Okay, we're not breaking any swing lows as of right now. We hit two levels of sell side previously. I also know too that we have just kind of a 4 hour. Well, that's a ways to drop. We're talking almost 200 points. There's another body of liquidity 200 points below, but you know we may not see that this session, so I don't think I should have to be concerned with that as of right now, or at least during this session anyways. But yeah, we just gonna stick it out, remain to be patient. See if this holds. I really want to know why everything's delayed on my trading view. We're on hourly bearish territory, so that's why I'm not in a rush to kind of make a move. Look at all this sell off. We got a 15-minute right there. But yeah, right now these candles are so weak. I mean, there's not a lot of volume in these candles. Which is another reason why I just kind of want to be patient, because we could continue to see lower prices. Again, I'm gonna let Price reveal his hand to me and not try to force what I think is going to happen. I'm actually going to wait to see, what happens and see if that, allows me to, if it presents an entry for me. Patience, 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 patience. Where my candlesticks go? Where my candlesticks go, yo? Would it be better if my camera was over here? I mean, we could look to run some of this liquidity here. That's kind of what I'm thinking is going to happen because we're slowly kind of crunching up. Again, we're only 18 minutes into the market open. I mean, and then again, too, there's pretty big this volume imbalance right there. Yeah, it's really disappointing that trading view's off. Sometimes the candles printing can feel like watching paint dry. Yeah, this isn't exciting. Then again, too, after this sell off, just kind of thinking to myself, we might not get like a lot of, cause this happened, bro. This happened 8:30, sell off, retrace, bro. This happened from 8. Let's get the exact. What time was this candle? 8:37. Sold off till 3. Now we're getting small consolidation. But I mean, bro, this move right here, 8:37, all the way down to 9. Now this might be Central Time. I think this is Central Time. But that's insane. That's 379 all the way down to 1379 all the way down to 0898. That's wicked, bro. That is wicked. So I got a small fair value gap right here. Again, I'm glad I'm just kind of being patient and I didn't take long off of that first fair value gap. Only 24 minutes into the session, so again we could retrace some. We're just gonna kind of see how these candles print. The reason I would think that we would go higher though is because we did take out, again, multiple forms of sell side liquidity, but we have a 4-hour fair value gap. Where is it? 1 minute. 1 minute. We're not gonna go through the hassle of that. 1 hour. Our 4-hour fair value gap is between 472 and 391. So we're down here. So I believe it's, bruh. I do not like this, bro. I believe it's, yeah, in this area. I think this might be a 4-hour fair value gap too. And if you see where we are, in comparison to that, in comparison to these relative equal lows right here, we could be continuously heading down to kind of take those out. That's the next obvious area of liquidity, in my opinion. Again, we took this level of sell side here already. Took this level of sell side here. And so that's why I'm thinking this would be the next level. Might get a little retracement bounce here with this 4-hour, but ultimately this is the level that I am kind of interested in. Again, I don't know if it'll happen this session or not, but we're just kind of keeping our eyes on price action and how these candles print. And I don't know why it keeps doing this. There it goes. So yeah. That's close enough. So let's look for potential entry here. 585. Getting low resistance. Again, a reminder too, we are in the hourly. We are in a bearish fair value gap, which we have approximately, what time is it? 30 minutes left. Okay. I'm going to be patient and see if we get some price retracement back up here to this fair value gap. I was thinking about going short right there, but kind of want a better entry. Well, they're seeing that, that rejection. Yeah, we might not get no retracement up. Let's get the 15 real quick. And for hourly, I got about 26 more minutes. It'd be nice to see if this how this hourly closes inside of here. Again, y'all, we just remain patient, holding patiently, waiting. That candle's looking heavy. Man, my neck hurts so bad, bro. Neck hurts so bad, it's tight. Need to go to a chiropractor. How we get a new? This is the new 15-minute open. Again, seeing here we had a um nothing conclusive, but you consider this a market structure shift, and then we have the fair value gap right there. This is, I think this is, I marked this up on a 2-minute as well, so yeah, right there. But this could have been a slight retracement before we get ready and run all this liquidity here. Open-minded to both, trading ideas. Okay. I don't think this is gonna hold. Reason I say that is because, again, I mentioned we took two forms of sell side already. We didn't break any swing low with any sort of displacement or conviction. Um, I feel like if we are gonna break below, we were gonna crush this swing low here, but we didn't, and prices started wicking in this area and rejecting. Came back, had a nice displacement candle here, and then fair value gap for potential entry right there. Now we wait for more confirmation if that is true, or if this is just, retracement back down to the, sell side, sell side, sell side. Open to both again. The kid is open to both. Oh, brother. Okay. Yeah, we're about to sell off. I'm gonna enter short here. Let's see first. Let's see if this gives us another fair value gap right here, which is looking like it might, and then short entry in this area.
Order rejected.
Don't know why, but it's not really rejected. Yeah, we might continue down to that looks like we might lead to that 4 hour fair value gap. This might be a runaway or a breakaway gap, so price might not even come all the way back up there. So I might have to get the next, have to be quick with the next fair value gap that's created, and do a sell to market instead of a limit order. Yeah, I'm remaining patient, being super selective. Again, y'all, I'm patient, bro. I'm being ultra patient. Ultra patient. So I'm not in a rush to enter any trade. We're not breaking down, that's for sure. Not yet. Well, let's see if I'd have seen came on here. I'd have seen the 5-minute fair value gap. Okay. Yeah, I think we're gonna break down. Okay.
Order rejected.
So I got into. I'm in two right now. I'm going short. It's just what it was showing me is that it didn't. It was slowly breaking down, and it really didn't want to retrace back up there. So we'll see if we get this continued momentum down.
Order rejected.
Put a stop right there. I mean, and just looking back to at the other price action, there were other entries that I missed. For example, if I'd came over here to the 5 and scrolled in more, I would have seen that we had a 5-minute fair value gap here. Yeah, and two potential entries right there. Missed out on another potential entry on a 2 minute here. Kind of in this fair value gap right there. So there were entries to be had, even kind of on this retracement. I was kind of hoping it to get up here, and I went to see what it would do when it tapped. You know, if it were to tap in there, but it didn't. But you know, sometimes it just works out that way. But literally as soon as I got in, this broke down, and you could just see it coming. Like, swing high is not being broken. Swing high, swing high, swing high, swing high here. And, we might get a break of it now, but we'll see. Again, we've been bearish all day, like this huge sell off. So we might continue to see a run on of that, especially being in the 1 hour, the bearish 1 hour fair value gap. Where is it? Right here. So let's see if we can get some more downward momentum. And got like a fair value gap right there.
Order rejected.
Again, I feel calm. Targeting these lows here. I was looking for kind of like a fair value gap in this area to kind of target, but we don't have that. So now what I want to see is this swing low. We got a fair value gap right there, but I want to see this swing low broken with displacement, like a large candle like this, like these candles right here. That's what I kind of want to see. I don't want to see any tinkering around. Don't want to see any tinkering around. What I'll do is I'll take cancel that. I'm not gonna be greedy. I'll take half.
Order rejected.
I'll take half off there. Oh, I'm sorry.
Order rejected.
I'll take half off there, and so And I'll kind of move that. It's gonna stop me out.
Stop field.
So yes, okay. So I'm literally break even, bro. Yo, I'm literally break even. That's funny. So I'll take one more. I'll take one more trade. Let's see what we got. Yeah, that's disgusting. We just sliced through that like knife on butter. Seeing as that we're kind of hanging around this swing low, I'm gonna be a little bit more. I'm gonna wait to see how this plays out before getting in. I mean, we are creating all these, these failure swings, so that's something to kind of note too. 7:03. We technically got 57 minutes left until the session is over for me. My window is 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. or 6 to 8 Central Time. Okay. I said I know you clap. So we took out this internal level of liquidity here. Let's see if we can kind of get some continued bullish candles to the upside. And actually, let's see how this hourly close. So the hourly close rejecting from that from this fair value gap. So I would like to think that we're still short. But even a scalp up to here would be nice.
Order rejected.
I don't know why it says that. So I'm gonna go long here.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
I'm gonna go long here and reach for this fair value gap here. I might just do a market order. Oh, see, if I would have kept it, would have tagged me in.
Order rejected.
So I'm in again. I'm gonna target, see if we get up here. We just took this level of liquidity, so got a fair value gap right there. I like it when you do that right there, right there. Swing your hips when you walk, a lid down your hair, lid down your hair. So it's been okay execution for me. My personal opinion. Could I have been more patient? Yeah, I could have, but then when I got that short there, even though it kind of put me at break even, and then even here, it would have tapped me in again right there. But if I'm judging my day so far, patience has been pretty solid. Recognition of current market has been pretty solid too, and just kind of allowing the market to reveal itself to me and not try to force anything has been, I would say, pretty solid. And so again, it's all based on execution, not trade result. And I am fairly okay with my execution this evening. And sometimes you need this for like your you need this for your confidence. Like, I know I've been on the losing streak and I just been doing boneheaded, stuff. I'm gonna take half
Order
off.
rejected.
Why? I don't know why it does that. I've been doing boneheaded stuff. Haven't been patient. Just been trying to chase. And yeah, it's been biting me in the ass. So But yeah, this will be my last trade of the evening, regardless of what happens. So we'll see. We did reject off of this fair value gap. I was kind of hoping to see us kind of tinker around. We'll likely give it another shot.
Order rejected.
See, I don't know. I don't know why it does that, bro.
Order rejected.
Let's see if we can get a breakthrough here. Right now, we're just rejecting from it. But the rejection isn't like, like it's not. It's not popping back at you. Like when, for instance, like if you were to touch grease, or grease were to pop you, and you jump back, like price isn't acting like that. It's kind of, tapping his toe in the water a little bit, and this is good to see. This, I'm gonna go ahead and move to break even. This for me is just again, whether we get there or not, I have it above here, but this for me is just a reminder of why discipline and patience is going to be the reason I succeed. Again, a lot of boneheaded decisions, a lot of trying to chase price, a lot of trying to hit the big home runs, which have been kind of coming back to, which have not even coming. Like I lost my funded account because of it, and so this is just a good reminder, a humbling reminder to remain patient and focus on your execution, not the trade result. Not the trade result, bro. Another thing I want to say too about this session is, after noticing this, I didn't hesitate to understand that, and I didn't let it consume or second guess, whether or not this was a reversal fair value gap. Which I'm really happy about, because we didn't take any of these swing lows out, even though it looked like, we were going to at times. And we still might, once we kind of hit, it could just still happen. But I wasn't hesitant, and I recognized that after earlier, price action, I was able to determine what market was likely to do. And again, we could just be creating more swing low or swing highs too. We might not break that swing high. So again, let's see see how this candle closes. These wicks are super, like, just glitchy. Not even the wicks, the candles, they're just, they're glitchy. We do got to start of a new 15 too. I want to see if we can break above this swing high right here, and not just no tiny break like a, you know, a break that has, you know, conviction. I don't want to see it etch his way. I wonder if y'all can hear the train in the background. Let's see now. What my thought process is that since we didn't take this right here, this could, you know, this could be the start of us running all of this liquidity up into this 15-minute fair value gap right there. So all that'll be ran. Until we find some form of rejection. But hopefully this taps me in, you know. Gonna move my stop. What do we got? I might actually take the, yeah, I'm gonna just take it. Just take it and be happy. Be done for the day. What time is it? For me, it is 7:20. I still have to document it. I still have to upload my video. I still got to shower. Still got to have dinner. So, yeah. Whether or not this makes it, I had it slightly below this fair value gap right there. I'm okay with it. Again, just having that discipline was rewarding for me today. So it's a good momentum heading into the month of March. And let's get some, see if we can get some accounts passed and funded. So with that being said, subscribe, like, leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think. I'm out. Peace.